Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the online backup function in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and at the premium section look for the online backup button and click on that. But remember that this function is only available if you're on the premium subscription of the application. So here you can read a little description on the about section, and if you want to turn this on, just click on the on button and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.